Just rubbed everything into my skin and it looks amazing on the side of my face. I was like, oh my god, it looks so freaking flawless. What the actual hell? Guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Alex. I do beauty, lifestyle, and comedy videos. If that sounds like your thing, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers that we have on this channel. It means so much. You help the channel to grow and for these videos to be seen. Today, we have a nice video. We have a nice video. Today's video is about us trying to find a match online. No, not a love match, like who needs that? A foundation match. I'm so excited to try out this website that actually helps you to find your shade. So guys, this foundation finder or whatever you may call it, it's called foundation. So what you do is you click on get started. So we're gonna scroll up. The perfect foundation match that I really liked recently was the NYX Total Cover Drops in Mahogany. Then after we put in a foundation that we actually really like, so you go to find my matches. Or it will recommend all the different foundations, powders, concealers I noticed. So I have a few of these shades here. The Body Shop 070 Seychelles Cinnamon. It's a little bit too red for me. It's in the same shade, but it's leaning more red where I'm more golden, if you get what I'm saying. The Wet n Wild Toffee is a bit too light. So let's just test out a few shades that they mention. So the first shade that they mention is the LA Girl BB Cream in the shade Deep. And this is something that I already picked up a while ago, actually. So I'm just going to swatch that shade. So that's one of the shades. Another shade that was mentioned is the Warm Caramel by LA Girl. This is the illuminating foundation. And I'm gonna swatch this here. That both look so similar, doesn't it? They also mentioned a Pro Conceal, a concealer. So I'm gonna swatch that over here. Also, Makeup Revolution in the shade F13. And lastly, $10 foundation by Lancome, also suggested in the shade number 10. The thing is with this is that I actually got shade matched in the store that I actually like a lot. So that's what the shade 350 in the matte, in the Fit Me Matte and Polish. I've never tried this foundation before. I just bought it for this video. I'm just gonna place that over here. Looking at this, it's oddly similar to the shade. Whoops. So that's the shades, you guys. They obviously, some of them oxidize a little bit. Like, I feel like this is oxidizing a lot. But as you could see, even though that this is a dark area of my face, this is literally matching me the best. And it does match me to a T. So that's something that I always compare other foundations to now. I feel like the closest to that shade would be the F13, and the LA Girl Warm Caramel is the closest. This is a bit too cool, I feel. Like, I just need a little bit more yellow. As you can see, all of these shades are within the same tone and just slight variance in color. But also they are warm, goldeny, yellowy shades, except for the LA Girl Pro Concealer. That is a little bit more cooler, on the cooler, pinkier side. If anything, that one is something that I don't really know how that would be actual shade. I'm gonna blend that out and you can see it just blends right into my skin. It's amazing. There's so many variants and people don't really know which shade to actually look for. This could be like a good starting point. Recommend me like 3 or 4 shades that were lighter, which were like the Wet n Wild Toffee. But then again, I'm in between shades there. Finder website is not extremely accurate. LA Girl BB cream and the illuminating one, as well as the Makeup Revolution. These are the 3 that I tested in the store, and I said, you know what, it's similar to my skin tone and it matches me the best out of all that was there. So I took these 3 and these 3 came up, so that was shocking for me. Lancome one was tested on me by a Lancome representative. There on the shade it says 10, which is the shade as well, but there's a US version and a UK version, so I'm not completely sure. But in South Africa specifically, this one is my shade, and I love this foundation a lot, and I understand why Nikki Tutorials raves about it a lot. Cray right now. And these were the 2 that the website recommended to me that I bought. They both are very, very similar, except this is more golden and this is more pinky. So I guess, oh gosh. So I guess if you're looking for a shade, this is a great way to try and figure out where within the ballpark you are in. That's all I have for you today. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. I will leave all the appropriate links down below. And thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. I know I ramble a lot. I look crazy with full stripes on my face. But I will see you guys in the next one. We will be doing something really cool. So stay tuned. What's happened? Oh my god, that concoction was like, it's like a really, like, it's like matte, but it's still... Okay. I might as well just have done something there. And I just blended that in with my hand. Interesting.